Well, I'm kinda guessing time, though it feels like coming home. Strange, isn't it? When I walk along the streets, it hurts and comforts me. Strange as that. And the train will take me from station to station, under the river and back to the ground. Some views are so familiar they don't trigger me as they used to, and that's okay. But others still strikes me with the same strength as before when I love it. And the train will take me from Third and back to Beat, from Morgan to 8th Avenue. There's so much more for me to see. Ran into a sunburst beauty, the smoothest feeling in my hand, kinda surprising. I lost my heart to this lady. Should she follow or should she stay? I guess she stayed. And the train will take me from station to station, under the river and back to the ground. Well, I'm sorry, Mrs. Smith, it was already in my mind, but I'm sure that you can deal with such occasions. And I think you just like me, other letters are unlimited to use, and I try to use them well, though it's hard from time to time. The train will take me from station to station, under the river and back to the ground. The train will take me from Third and back to Beat, from Morgan to 8th Avenue. There's so much more for me to see.